Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to apply for Outlier AI jobs and start earning online. First, go to the official Outlier AI website and create your account. You can sign up using your email or continue with Google. It only takes a minute. Once your account is created, the next step is to complete your profile. Add your basic details like your first name, last name, and country. Make sure everything is accurate because this information is used for verification and payments. After that, you'll need to import or add your skills. This is very important because Outlier AI assigns tasks based on your expertise, whether it's coding, data labeling, or AI training. Select all the skills that match your experience. Next comes identity verification. You'll be asked to upload a valid photo ID. This step is necessary to confirm your identity and secure your account. Once your identity is verified, you may also need to complete skill assessments. These tests help the platform understand your level and match you with the right projects. After completing everything, you're ready to go. You can start exploring available tasks and begin earning. And that's it. That's how you can easily apply for Outlier AI jobs and start your earning journey online.